How to set up Venmo account or how to log into Venmo. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is me Bivin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can set up a Venmo account or how you can create or log into Venmo. Well, first you can download the app. You'll have to download the app from your Play Store or App Store. If you are on Android device, you can download it from the Play Store. Similarly, if you are on iOS, you can download it from your App Store. Simply open up your Play Store or App Store, and there you can search in for Venmo, and once you get the application, you can download it. Now once you have downloaded the application, if you open up the app, you should get an face like this. You can see create account and login. If you just want to create account, simply tap on create account, where you'll have to select which account do you want to use, personal, teen or business. Simply tap on get started, enter in your code. Once you get the code on your device, simply enter in the confirmation code on this app and here on the designated area, and once you do so, there it'll ask you for other prompts such as your details and such, and once you go through all the verification process, you'll be able to set up an account. So this way you can set up Venmo account to log in. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.